MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences.
Vernier calipers. Vernier calipers is used to measure the length, thickness, diameter and depth of an object and to measure the internal and external diameters of a hollow cylinder. Vernier calipers is also called as slide calipers. Pierre Vernier devised a method by which length correct up to 0.1 mm can be measured. Construction. The two scales that you see on the vernier calipers are the main scale and vernier scale. Main scale is a long steel strip with jaw J1 at one end and graduated in centimeter. Vernier scale is a graduated movable steel strip with jaw J2 that can slide over the main scale. Generally, vernier scale has 10 divisions marked on it. Vernier scale can be fixed at any position on the main scale with the help of the screw. Jaws J1 and J2 are parallel and projected on either side of the main scale. Lower jaws or the outside jaws are generally used to measure the length of a given rod and diameter of a sphere or a cylinder. Upper jaws or the inside jaws are used to measure the internal diameter of a hollow cylinder or pipe. There is a long strip T attached to the vernier strip at the back of the main scale, which is used to measure the internal depth of a cylinder. The object to be measured is placed between the lower or outside jaws. Using the vernier calipers. Whenever we use vernier calipers, we have to first find out the least count and zero error of the instrument. Least count of an instrument is the smallest measurement that can be recorded accurately with it. To know the smallest measurement, we first find out the total number of divisions on the vernier scale and the value of one main scale division. Let us now calculate the least count of vernier calipers as shown here. Number of divisions on the vernier scale is equal to 10. Value of one main scale division is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Hence, the least count is equal to value of one main scale division divided by total number of divisions on vernier, which is equal to 0.1 divided by 10 centimeter, which is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Zero error in vernier calipers. It is found that at times when the movable jaw is brought in contact with the fixed jaw, zero of main scale doesn't coincide with zero reading of vernier scale. This is a mechanical error and is referred to as a zero error of vernier calipers. Depending upon the position of zero of vernier scale, zero error can be of two types, namely positive zero error and negative zero error. Shown here are three vernier calipers A, B and C. In vernier calipers A, zero of vernier scale and that of main scale coincide, and thus vernier calipers A is free of zero error. In vernier calipers B, zero of vernier scale is to the right of zero of main scale. This vernier calipers is having positive zero error. Let us now find out the positive zero error. Note the vernier scale division that coincides with any division of main scale. Now, to get zero error, multiply coinciding vernier scale division by least count of vernier calipers. Vernier calipers C is having negative zero error as zero of vernier scale is to the left of zero of main scale. To find out this zero error, first note the division of vernier scale that coincides with any division of the main scale. Subtract the coinciding division from number of divisions on Vernier scale and multiply the difference by the least count and assign negative sign to it. After finding out the least count and zero error of Vernier calipers, let us calculate the observed reading using the formula. Observed reading is equal to main scale reading plus coinciding Vernier scale division into least count. True reading is equal to observed reading minus plus or minus zero error. Determination of the length of a rod. To measure the length of the given rod, with the help of Vernier calipers, the following procedure is adopted. First, find the least count of Vernier calipers. Now check whether the Vernier calipers has zero error or not. Fix the object to be measured between two jaws J1 and J2. Note the main scale reading and Vernier scale division which coincides with any one of the division of main scale. Record the readings in the observation table. Repeat the experiment by adjusting the positions of the jaws of Vernier calipers at different positions of the rod. Length of the rod is equal to 4.58 centimeters.
At MSR UAS, we spark your imagination unlike any other.